What is up guys, Jeffrey here, welcome back to my channel. And of course, I'm here with my friend. And dito kami sa bahay niya. I'm with my boy Mateo. Camera, let's go. And before we proceed on our video, I just want to say, we were giving away 10,000 worth of items. And what is that? What is that? What is that? I think you have a clue guys. What is that? Alright, and you got it right guys. This is the Time Master watches owned by our good friend. I can't say the name but yeah, of course. This is 12,000 guys, but hindi ito yung ibibigay ko, okay? But still, 10,000 worth of item and that is the NATO strap watch, okay? Paano kayo makakasali dito? Just like the Time Master Facebook and Instagram page and share this photo and with your answer to the question, how does mastering your time enable you to be free? And third is use the hashtag #MasterYourTime, the hashtag TimeMaster, and set your post to public. Okay, so we can see your post to announce the winner on June 12 because it's Independence Day, guys. Alright, so now let's proceed on our video, and that is the Mac and Cheetos Burger! Of course, habang magsasalita tayo kanina, nakapagpainit na ako ng mga tubig dito, okay? We have here the macaroni, and ito yung patty natin, okay? Pagsasama-samahin lang natin yan. Flour, cheese whiz, okay? And meron tayong milk, so wala na tayong milk. And of course, Cheetos, baby! Pansin nyo guys, walang masyadong mamahalin dito because this is DIY guys. Walang mamahalin dapat dito. Do it your own. Okay, so let's throw this macaroni on our boiling hot water. Alright! And habang naghihintay tayo dyan, gagawin natin yung patty. Okay? Gagawa tayo ng isang malaking patty. So, estimated nating patty is ganito kalaki, okay? Saktong-sakto to. Gutom na rin kami. Imo-mold na natin yung patty natin, okay? So, ganito kasi kalaki yan eh. Okay? O, diba? Kita-kita naman. Halos magkasing laki yan. Boom. Oh my God! Alam ko, Matt, gusto mo rin matry yun. I-try mo na. Smack that, baby. Turn on the stove and put some oil on it. Alright, let's do this. Kung gaano karaming oil, huwag silang isipin yun. The magic one. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Oh! Holy! Okay lang, okay. So far guys, okay lang tayo. Oh shit. Hindi ko alam paano to aalis dito. Come on. Okay. Malaglag ka! Oh! Okay, so hindi pa kasi masyadong mainit yung oil, so let's take it easy, man! Take it easy! Just take it easy! Habang naantay natin yan, syempre, check muna natin yung macaroni natin kung okay na siya. Okay, yun, so far, medyo lumalambot na siya ng bahagya. Okay, tingnan yan. Oh, tigas pa. Siyempre, habang hinihintay, kailangan natin gawin muna yung iba natin kailangan gawin. So, ang gagawin kasi natin dito sa cheese na to, tsaka sa cheese whiz is, ito yung gagawin natin sa mac and cheese. Tapon na natin yung mga hindi kailangan. So, as you can see guys, kumukulo-kulo na yung patty natin. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kasarap ere. Okay, let's check ulit sa ating macaroni. There's one way to see if ready na talaga yan. Okay, tagatin nyo lang. Pag malambot na katulad nito, pwede na yan. Okay? Hindi mo siya papatagalin pa ng buhay, Gagawin kasi natin dyan, tapon muna natin yung mga tubig ng bagya. Hindi na natin kailangan ng sobrang daming tubig kasi papalitan natin yan ng cheese. Okay? I think okay na to. Ma-absorb na lang yan mamaya. Slow motion for the cheese. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh yeah, baby! Oh my God! Oh, you heard that sound?
Mahal isipin ng mga kapitbahay ko.
hindi ko alam kung matutunaw ba to. Bahala na. Ganoon naman kasi yun eh. Hindi naman kailangan ng lagi-laging, ang tawag doon, lagi-laging sure ball. Okay? Minsan sa pag-ibig, kailangan mo sumugal. Tama ba yun, guys? Tama! Of course, kailangan multitasking, guys. Habang ano yan, tingnan nga natin dito kung medyo okay na. Okay na siya. Siyempre, hindi ako kaliwete kasi hindi ako nakangaliwa. So, kailangan kanan yung gamitin natin. Okay? Pero tingin ko tatalsik to. So, kailangan natin ng supo. Supo! Uy! Ano ko gagawin to? Okay, that's it. That's it. Nice one, Jepoy. Nice one. Nice one. So, continuous mixing this hanggang matunaw yung cheese. Matunaw ka na. Come on. Tunaw ka na, oh. Matunaw kaya to? Itong hidden cheese.
Siguro. Sayawan mo pare para matunaw.
Damn. Oo nga, natutunaw. Medyo okay. Pwede, ayun, no?
Kailangan nga sinasayawan.
Oh. Look at our mac and cheese, guys. Holy! Okay, so after this, guys, pagluto na to, imo-mold na natin siya, okay? Re-refrigerate natin siya para malagay natin yung egg, flour, and yung Cheetos, okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Siyempre, matatagalan to. I don't have much memory, and boom! Okay, guys, so this is the finished product. Hindi pa to finish, pero lalagay mo natin sa rep para mas maging compact siya, okay? So,
the next day.
Okay guys, so while waiting for our mac and cheese, ipe-prepare lang muna natin yung Cheetos and the eggs. Okay? And some paper plates over here. Good. Alright. Some tricks over here. One-handed. The left-handed. Konting scramble. Let's proceed on the Cheetos. Okay? Up. Masyadong buksan, okay? Kasi crush natin, gagawin kasi natin itong breadcrumbs. Wala tayong blender or something, so let's use our hands, baby. Make sure, guys, na pag ginawa nyo to, aamuin nyo after. This is the best smell ever. Oh, yan. Okay, tikman muna natin. Alright. Okay, so tapos na ating preparation sa mga, sa flour, Cheetos. Dalawa lang yung ginamit ko kasi tingin ko okay na yan. Itlog and, okay. While waiting, okay, nilagyan ko na rin ng mantika itong kabila. So, dalawa sabay. Simultaneous sa ating lulutuin ang ating mac and cheese. So, tingnan natin kung okay na ang mac and cheese natin, okay? Let's go. In 3, 2, 1.
Good.
Okay. Pwede na to. And before we do that, tanggalin muna natin to dahil siguradong magiging messy to. Whoop! Oh yeah. This is the consistency that I want, guys. Look at that. So let's start off with the flour. Okay. Make sure na covered lahat, guys. Evenly. And put it on the egg. Tingin ko, ito yung top and ito yung bottom, okay? Dub, make sure. Dub the egg here, all over the place, and dub here, and dub here. Put it on the Cheetos, baby! Alright, man. Make sure na takpan nyo yung lahat ng butas. That, and that, and that. Okay guys, so ito na yung final product ng ating DIY bun, mac and Cheetos. So, fry them up. Put the bad boy here. And this bad boy over here. Oh yeah, I hear the sizzle, guys. And we will be right back pagkaluto nito. Alright guys, so kailangan natin ng tissue para sa excess oil. So I think this is already done. Ito yung top bun natin. Oh dear. Bottom bun. Look at this one, baby. It's not perfect. Fuck! Crack! Damn! Pero okay lang yan. At least. Okay? So, pang hinihintay natin. Let's start the plating, man. Okay na yan. Take it easy, brother. Let's put our patty, man. Patty. Of course, kailangan natin ng dressing.
faces. I wanna see them in their faces.
Oh dear, oh dear. This is it. This is it. Damn. Look at this bad boy. Come on, guys. Look at this bad boy over here, brother. Woo! Woo! This is my greatest creation ever. Oh guys, it's time for the taste test, brother. Tikman na natin. Here. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sa lahat ng ginawa ko, itong pinakamasarap, guys. Oh my god. Ikaw naman, tikman mo dito, Matt. Tikman mo, Matt. Tingnan natin ang reaksyon ni Mateo. Okay? Let's go, brother. Let's go, brother. Wow. How about that, brother?
Nice.
Holy bang! And so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video and this DIY. Fucking easy, bro. Please do follow me on my social media accounts. The links will be in the description below. And plus there is a massive thumbs up button over there. And subscribe to my channel. And whew, this is for you, guys. Whoa!